Good morning, everybody. So here is Crystal Lotus channel. My name is Arginia Greco from the Czech Republic. So today we will do new video. So today we will talk about one of my favorite crystal. So we will talk one of those first crystals. Crystal quartz is the most common and the most used by so many people, by healers and shamans and different. And the quartz family is quite has different categories. Like there is clear quartz, milk quartz, rose quartz, that's the pink one, and amethyst, the purple one, or amethyst, how it depends which language. Smoky quartz, that's the one which we'll talk today, or in German Rauchquarz, and in Czech Zania, so has different name, smoky quartz. So the smoky quartz basically it's a crystal, but it's a brown color. This beautiful quartz. It is brown because it has been a long time in the earth, and the earth did some kind of change, some kind of like earth radiation. Did this? That's why the color it changed after a long time. So as the color it is brown, it is very grounding. So as you see. And we have available at our shop at Crystal Lotus ZZ. We have many of those shapes available, like points and tumblestones, so you can have in your pocket. This nice clear. The smoky quartz can be like this clear to like this dark, like this dark. So depends the person if you like dark or clear. Darker ones are more stronger, more intensive the energy than the like these clears. So we have all sizes, and the smoky quartz is almost found everywhere in the world. Mostly the smoky quartz which you get in the market are Brazilian. Then there are nice smoky quartz from Alps. This is from Swiss Alps, but still with a mother quartz here. That's from Swiss, very beautiful. And from Swiss it's difficult to get and quite expensive bigger smoky quartz, because in Swiss it's interesting, it's not allowed to mine with dynamite or bagger like this. It's also not possible technically because you have to go in the Alps, so that's around 3,000 meters like this above the sea level, and with only one hammer, like this big hammer, and you have to do tick 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 and then mine the rock. I saw also very interesting videos that people go there to mine. Actually they just find it there, just they have to find the right location and just go there. It's inside the rock, so you have to take it out, no? And they are beautiful. They have Swiss has a lot of smoky quartz and also crystals, and the places which they found is in the French part, Valais, that's the place, and also a very famous one is the Gotthard, Canton Uri and Ticino. It's really famous for the best quartz from Swiss, the big ones, but they were found before those big sizes, smoky quartz like this, 1 kilo, I don't know, because they made the Gotthard tunnel 1980s. That's one of the longest car and train tunnel. The train one existed already before the car. It's much more older and longer. It's around 24 kilometers, if I don't say wrong, something like that. And the car is only 17. And it's really long, believe me. I did several times this tunnel in my life, because I lived in Ticino and then I went to the German part to visit my grandmother. So it's really long tunnel. So when they did this tunnel, they used mines to mine dynamite like this, and they found huge ones. These are old stock from the 1980s. And nowadays affordables are these sizes and even smaller. And we have some Gotthard quartz, limited amount in our shop. So if you like this video, just comment below and like and subscribe. No problem, you're most welcome. So these are some quartz, and there are also some interesting quartz which are from Russia. Russia has a lot of minerals and quartz, but unfortunately today it's more difficult to get. Crystal they have, but this is a former Russian country, Kazakhstan, which now is an independent country. They have a lot of beautiful minerals, and this is a smoky quartz, last one left, quite big, very dark. They call it Morion. And yeah, and Kazakhstan has this mountain there, high altitude mountain like the Alps, similar, also a huge mountain. So we have this, and then I have also skulls here. This nice clear smoky quartz carved in India. It's for sale, so if it's calling you, you can write us on Facebook or Instagram. Instagram we are Crystal Lotus HK, like Radec Kralove HK, and Facebook and eShop Crystal Lotus. So it's very grounding, and the skull is nothing bad. It's something to remember who you are, why you are here, and the energy of a skull. It's much more intensive than this, than a point or a tumble. It's stronger. Stronger. The energy is much more stronger and deeper. It goes deeper. Then we have this, and then we have this also beautiful Brazilian big one. So Brazilian carving is almost 1 kilo, maybe 700 grams. It's a Brazilian carver. Brazilian do different. They have different like rocks. You know. It's a beautiful one. So it's one of the biggest smoky quartz we have. We can do larger size for you if you would like larger, like human size, 3-4 kilo we can do for you, and also clear ones like this. So these are the smoky quartz. So now yeah, so I told you about the location. So mostly it's Brazilian, and then the beautiful ones are from Swiss Alps and something from Kazakhstan, but very few. And in the Czech Republic they also have smoky quartz. It's quite rare, difficult to get because it's not allowed to mine here. But they are found in the field. So where are the people? So, but we have something available if you're interested. It's on the website. And then so now we will talk about the elements and the chakra and the zodiac sign, astrology. So for astrology, basically, it's a very grounding stone, no? The smoky quartz. So it's for the astrological sign of. Looking if I see something. Oh, there's a heart too. I can show you. I'm in the shop, so I can show you more stuff. We have hearts too. Heart, beautiful heart. That's the last one we have. Heart, and I can show you. Okay, cluster, very beautiful collection piece. It's a beautiful piece. And we have this also. This is like a Morion. This is from Gotthard, no? From Uri. They're hard to get. I waited a long time to get any of those, so I now have it. So the smoky quartz is for astrological sign for mostly for the earth elemented signs like Capricorn, Taurus. For Virgo, not sure. I will put for Taurus, for Capricorn, for Libra or Libra, and for these three signs. I'm thinking for other signs. I mostly it's for Taurus, Capricorn, and Libra. It could be Virgo too, because it's Earth sign, but I will not put on the top birthstone. And the element, it's very easy, it's Earth, because it's from the Earth and it's very grounding. It really brings you back to the Earth. So the smoky quartz, what is good for? As you hear it all the time, it's for grounding. It's very good for grounding, and to be here on the Earth. So when you work energy work like Reiki or healing therapy, after that you should be grounded. So you should be recommended to work with this stone, with smoky quartz or black tourmaline, red jasper, agate, to be grounded. And the smoky quartz really brings you down, really calms down and cleans your energy, your aura, and all the negativities. It's also good stone for protection, for your health. And I will show you still something more. Since we are in shop, I can show you. So, one moment. And here we have also very beautiful LSTL quartz. This is like skeletal system. So it's called crocodile quartz, celestial. It's really lovely. It's very dark, it's like a Morion, Brazilian. And since they have this kind of shape, so the smoky quartz is very good for the backbone, for your back, for the skeletal system. It's very good, and it's good for depression, for difficult time. It gives you a lot of strength, energy, for cleaning, for calming, and for the skeletal system. So this is one of the quartz family. There are 5 of them in general: crystal, rose quartz, amethyst, smoky quartz, and citrine. So these are the main ones. After, there are also subcategories like golden here. There's a quartz with the iron oxide, yellow or red, so they're different. Rutil quartz, so there's a subcategory, you know. And aventurine is a part of the quartz family, so you know. So there are these kind of stones which are quite important for the spiritual work and in the stone category. So I hope you like this video. That's everything for today. So I wish you a wonderful day. So here from Crystal Lotus. So have a nice day. Namaste.